In the previous videos, you set up a new Google account with a unique username, some personal details, and a strong password. In this video, you will learn how to sign in and out of your Google account, as well as different ways to use the apps available to you. Some of those apps include Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Photos. After you complete your account registration, sign out of your Google account. This is an important step for safeguarding your personal information, especially if you're on a public computer. Just like when you created your strong, secure password, signing out of your account is a way to keep others from gaining access without your permission. To do this, find your account button. It might be your picture if you added one, or the first letter of your name. Then select Sign Out. Finally, close the tab you are working in. If you were finished using your account for today, you would want to close the browser entirely. However, because you are using the browser to watch this video, keep the window open for now. Now, to sign back into your Google account, open a new tab in your Chrome browser. Keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between the two. Go to www.google.com. Click the button to sign in. Then type your username and password. Once you are signed in, you can access your email or any available Google apps. Click the Google Apps menu. Then select which program you want to run. The app will open in a new tab. Nice work! Now that you're familiar with the way your Google account works, start using apps to plan activities with your friend. Now, it's your turn. Practice signing in and out of your Google account. Use the Google Apps menu to open new apps. Move on to the next video.